Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're a subscriber by now. If not, please hit the bell icon right now. See, INI-CET is just a few weeks away from now. Can a dropper crack the INI-CET exam? Is it possible? Of course it is. Of course a dropper can crack the INI-CET exam. Why and how will be explained shortly. You need to leave behind your past failures as a dropper. You have a lot of baggage, you need to leave that behind. And I will tell you why INI-CET exam is easier to crack in the long run. The topics are much more predictable. The subjects that have a certain amount of weightage are much more predictable in INI-CET. NEET PG on the other hand is getting very much unpredictable with changing pattern every year. This year there was a lot of integration between the subjects. They are taking it very close to the USMLE exam. I would say in the long run, if you target the next INI-CET, not the November one but the next one, it would be definitely in your reach. What you need to do with this attempt, you need to qualify the exam first. You need to get a decent rank in NEET PG, and then we move on and keep preparing for INI-CET and crack it. Topics are predictable. In medicine, in surgery, generally emergencies are asked. The PYTs really hold importance in the INI-CET exam. You can, in the long run, identify your weak areas and you can work on them. The preclinical subjects hold a certain amount of weightage in the INI-CET exam, and if you have strong foundation, if you know your physio, your biochem, your path, your pharma really well, it does count. While in the NEET PG exam, focus and emphasis is more and more on the clinical subjects and the clinical topics. So the INI-CET exams gives a good amount of weightage to the preclinical topics and the preclinical subjects. The most important thing that we can do is keep practicing our mock test. Keep doing it. And with every mock test, please remember, not only giving the mock test is important, reviewing and revising the mock test is equally important, if not less. So you gain 200 topics every Sunday. You need to give your grand test every Sunday, 9 to 12:30 am. Sit seriously. Give it on a PC. Don't give it on a tab. Don't give it on a mobile. Give it on a computer screen with a mouse and a keyboard. Have that courage to sit down for 3.5 hours and give that exam and submit it, and then only get up and review it the same day. You will gain 200 topics every Sunday without even realizing. Eventually, over a few months, you will have a great bank of wonderful topics. You know how to prepare for it? Reach out to me. Fill this Google form given in the link below. Reach out to me on my phone number 91163 24253. Please do not call. I am a little busy. Drop a text on WhatsApp. Hi sir, I need guidance for NEET PG, for INI-CET, and I will get back to you. All the very best guys. Wish you all the luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel.